guys, good morning. It's not raining, so I'm up at the patch. The wind's blowing about 7-8 mile an hour, but it's a good day to test fly a flying saucer. Shine, shine. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it a go and see how we get on. The only thing I'm not sure about is the CG. It's about 30%. Perhaps it needs to be a little bit further forward. I don't know. Wind's picking up now. But we'll give it a go anyway. It'll be a laugh. Here we go. So got a little bit of wind. It's going to be a laugh. It's going to be a laugh. Ooh. Okay. That was ridiculously hairy on the elevator. On the patch, I think I'm going to have to dial in a lot less elevator control. It's way too sensitive for me, that is. Okay, here we go. Hopefully I'll have enough movement to control the beast. Ooh! Oh dear, oh dear. Ooh! Ah, it tucked under rather badly there, guys. Oh dear. It went up and then tucked under. Still, it's easily fixed. Broken propeller. Right, the walk of shame. Here we go. It was fun. Yeah, I'll fix it. Why not? There's a brand new propeller on there as well. Give the video a thumbs up, guys. Keep me inspired.